Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft SQL Server on your Windows machine. So let's start the video. You can open any of your favorite browser and just type SQL Server. And here you can see it is showing the official website, that is microsoft.com. You can just click on this SQL Server download link. And now it has redirected me to SQL Server download page, and here we are having different downloads available. Just scroll below and here you can see we have free special edition downloads available, developer as well as Express. So we will be installing Express, which is again a free edition. So just click on this download button. Okay, here you can see it has downloaded my exe file. So now this download is done. Let's install this. So just click on this exe file. Let me minimize my browser, and here you can see it is showing me SQL Server 2000 Express edition, and it is showing me select the installation type. Three type it is showing me: basic, custom and download media. I'm going to select basic. Okay, so just select this basic. Okay, on this page we have to accept the license and agreement. So just click on this accept button, and now it has taken me to this page. It is showing the installation location of SQL Server. So it will go in C:, program files, Microsoft SQL Server. If you wish to change, you can click on this browse button and just change. Okay, so now I don't want to change. I'm keeping default. So I will be clicking on this install button. It is downloading installation packages. After downloading packages, it will install it. So we have to wait for a while. Okay, so you can see it is showing me download successful. So now it will start installing it. So we have to again wait for a while. Okay, so guys, you can see my installation is also completed. It is showing me it has completed successfully, and here it is showing me different information. So first information is connection string. So it is showing me instance name and its connection string. Second is what? Log file. So whenever you create database, a log file is created. So this is showing me the folder of log file. And next we have installation media folder, and lastly we have installation resources folder. So these are the folders location which has been shown over here. Now to verify the installation, you can just click on this connect now button, and if you see something like this, that means your installation is successful. Okay, now I am going to minimize this. So now I will be installing SSMS, that is SQL Server Management Studio. So that is a studio, means a tool. Using that you can write a query, you can connect to your database, you can create a database, everything you can do at one place. So for that you need to click on this install SSMS button. It is going to open on your browser. So now you can see it has taken me to again Microsoft website, download SQL Server Management Studio, and here you can see it is showing me SSMS 19. So let's download SSMS 19. So for that I have to click on this link, download SSMS 19. Okay, my download is started. Now we have to wait for it. Fine guys, my download is done. Now I will be clicking on this to start my installation. I'll just minimize this, and here it's showing me SQL Server Management Studio. So I need to just click on this install button. Okay, so it will install in again a C:, program files. If you want to change, you can change it. So I don't want to change. I'm just clicking on install button. Okay, here it's showing me progress of my installation. So again it will take time, so we have to wait. Okay, so guys, you can see it's showing me my setup is completed. So my Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, that is SSMS, is installed on my PC. So now let's start this. Okay, so let me close everything. I'll close this SQL CMD as well as that installation part. Free download, you can type SQL Server Management Studio, or you can type SSMS, both will work. So now I have just started my SQL Server Management Studio, and now here my studio has been started, and here it's showing me various details, showing me server type. So I'm going to select database engine, server name. So this is the name has been given while installation, and authentication type I'm taking as Windows authentication. And now we have to just click on this connect button. Here you can see it's showing me green color, that means it has been connected to your server. And now here it's showing me several folders available. Here you can see it's showing me database folder, so just expand this. Here it's showing me system database as well as database snapshot. Okay guys, now after installation let's run queries also. So to run queries you need to just click on this new query button, and it will open this window where you can type your queries. There are other ways also by which you can write your queries and run your queries, so I'm using the simplest one. So now here the first command which I will be typing as create database command. So for creating database I will type this command. Let me just increase size, so I'm just taking size as 200, and here I'm typing create database, and database name is CS corner and semicolon, and enter. Now another command I will be writing use CS corner, because by default it takes my master database. Now I will be changing my database to CS corner. So done this two command. Now let's select this two command and execute it. So to execute you need to just click on this execute button after selecting. Okay guys, so what happened, I'm getting error. Yeah, I'm getting error because I selected both the command together. I have not created database and I'm trying to use it. So first execute create database command and then execute use CS corner command. So let me do that. So let me select individually. So I'm selecting create database, execute. Boom guys, I'm getting message command completed successfully, and now I'm going to click on use CS corner and again execute. So again command successfully executed, and here you can see now my database has been changed from master to CS corner. Okay, now in this database I'm going to create a table. So for creating table I'm going to write create table student. I'm creating a simple table with two column, roll number and name column. So roll number is going to be of integer type, and I'm giving roll number as primary key, and then my second column is going to be student name, and that I'm giving as varchar 20, and then put the semicolon and done guys. So this is my table structure. It will create table with two column, and here now let's execute this command. So just select again and click on execute button. So command executed successfully, my table has been created. Let's verify whether table has been created or not. So right click on database and refresh, and you can see guys it is showing me my CS corner database, and in that just expand this table and you can see it is showing me student table also. So now we'll insert one record. So insert into student and then values, and here I'm going to provide value 1, that is roll number and Sunita in single quote. So roll number 1 and Sunita semicolon, and then hit enter. And guys select the query and again click on execute button. So your row has been added. Now let's show the data of this table. So I'm going to write select star from student and then select this query and execute, and boom guys you can see I'm getting the roll number, and boom guys you can see it is showing me my data of table. So this way you can install SQL Server, you can install SQL Server Management Studio, and you can use it. I hope guys by following my video you are able to successfully install your SQL Server. If yes, then do let me know through comment box whether you have installed it successfully or not. Also guys, if you like this video, please do hit on like button and share with your friends. And guys, I have shared my Telegram link in my description box, so you can join that link because I'm sharing lots of notes freely on that Telegram channel. And guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care and thank you.